Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Vladimir and this is my cat eye truck. I bought this truck for 1,500 bucks and it is my project. It is by far my favorite truck to have. It's the legendary four-door, four-wheel drive 5.3 cat eye. It has an OEM sunroof, full leather interior, and this is the truck that I have always dreamed on owning. Now this truck I paid 1,500 bucks for it and it is not perfect, it is beat up, but that's okay. So in today's video, we've got this hood, it's got some damage on it, some from me, some how it came. And what we're gonna be doing is we will put on this junkyard find hood scoop hood. It's pretty cool. Anyway, it fell over there and it's been sitting there for about a month. I haven't had time to make any videos on this truck, but here we are today. So let's work on it. So this hood was 150 bucks. Okay, so this is a 2006, which is cool. We've got 3 hood hinges. This one is a 13 millimeter, and oh boy, I already made a mistake. All right, I'm back. So I needed to go get a 10 millimeter because the hood has a ground and we need to remove the ground first. After that, we've got, there's the ground. I'll put that up there. So we've got 3 13 millimeter bolts that we've got to remove. And actually, the way that I'm gonna do it, okay. Now, the hood that I just took off is a HD hood, which I guess makes it more expensive, more desirable. Well, I don't really care about any of that um, because I've got this sweet double hooded scoop hood. That doesn't make any sense. Let's start over. A sweet hood with 2 scoops on it. It makes a little bit more sense. And it is a lot lighter, way lighter than the OEM hood. So this hood will be repainted, so I'm not too worried about uh, the scratches and stuff. So here we go. Oh, okay. So, it's important when you put a fiberglass hood on that you don't just crank down with the impact, because you can bust out the fastening nut on here. So I'm trying to go slow at it. All right. Okay, so we're not gonna put the ground on because it's a fiberglass hood, so it doesn't need to be grounded. Here we go. I'd say um, that looks pretty good. It is not a win at all. The whole hood needs to go that way. So, all right, that's better. I can tell that's better. Perfect. Okay, cool. Awesome. So, let me show you guys around what I've been doing on this truck. Now, I haven't done a lot to it because I just simply haven't had time. But soon, we'll work on it some more. So this is the truck right here. We've got to deal with that door and the rocker panel there. But let me see if I can zoom out. Okay, here we go. Now, this door was crushed. It's right there. Okay, so I got a new door. So that looks pretty good. Now, we've got to deal with this right here. Now, somebody's been doing a repair on it, but I'm going to cut all this out and put everything new in. Now, if we look right here, I gutted the whole interior on this truck. Let me show you the most exciting part. All right. These right here are 2020 Suburban rear bench seat. Um, it is fantastic. It fits really well in here. I really like it. I really like the way it sits, and it's a direct bolt-in. So that's one thing I really, really like about this uh, versus the original seat that was in here. So anyway, this is the truck. It needs a lot of work, but it is my project truck, and I really, truly enjoy this truck. So stick around, guys. We'll see you soon.